G'day, and welcome. Here we are, day 6, and just try and get these little bits of fluff that are flying up all over the camera. Welcome to sunny Lismore. It was sunny about, 35 seconds ago, and then we've got this come rolling in. Okay, it's going to focus on the tree, so you're not going to be able to see it. So, we got a nice little, I don't think it's even summer yet. Is it even summer yet? Oh, that's right. Okay, sorry. So we're still in summer? Righto. Yes, we're still in summer. So I'm just trying to stop the camera getting wet. Like every other camera in my fucking house. But, isn't that pretty? Let's see if I can zoom in on that a bit. Look at that. There you go. Look at those big sheets of rain. Wow, that is so cool. And lightning. Good stuff. Anyway, I was going to tell you about today. Today is not absolutely amazingly exciting. I didn't actually go down to the house today because I was just absolutely stuffed. Just absolutely stuffed. I just can't bear any more for a day. I had to have a day off because it's just bloody. It just weighs on you so much. It's just so much to deal with. It's so much to try and take care of. Just, even just working out what the hell you're supposed to be doing. And, like, yesterday was really hard because I had, a few tools there that I had sat up on the desk and stuff to get out of the flood level. 1974 flood level, that is. That's it was supposed to be a 1 in 100 year flood level. Well, that was 50 years ago, and now we just got it 2 metres higher. But I had to go through a lot of that, so I had to try and decide, should I chuck the stuff out or should I bloody keep it? Now, if I keep it, there's a chance I could probably fix quite a lot of that stuff. But the problems are, where the hell is it going to go? You've got to go put it somewhere. I've got to grab it, put it in the back of the truck, go take it somewhere, go stash it somewhere for a year where it's safe and where I can work on it. But if I had somewhere like that, then the whole lot wouldn't have gone under bloody flood in the first place. So, what do you do about that? Jesus, that's loud. That is very, very, very loud. The other thing is, we still, the propaganda mill is certainly churning, that's for sure. I think they're starting to worry that, this whole town might just basically pack up and fuck off. And they seem to, I reckon the authorities, which have not been seen by me at least anyway, are a bit worried about that sort of thing. Because they're starting to say, like, I think it was, I'm trying to work out who it was. I think it was the New South Wales Premier, I'm not sure. But some wanker anyway, somewhere, which that would go into that class of person anyway, said that it was a 1 in 5,000 year flood. I'm thinking, oh, piss off. What kind of crap propaganda is that? Also, I spoke to a rural fire brigade. No, I don't think it was rural. I think it was Metro Fire Brigade the other day. And how I've been telling you is that these tanks couldn't get water up here and stuff. When I mentioned that to him, he didn't seem to know what I was talking about. But then he turned around and he goes, oh, right, yeah, well, we have had low pressures. And by this, that wasn't verbatim what he said, but I just got to get out of the bloody rain some more. This is ridiculous. Holy crap me. Okay, that is just coming straight inside. Let me fix this up. For fuck's sake. Man, it's blowing a gale and everything. I don't know if he's even going to be able to hear me or anything. This is crazy. Help, we're locked behind bars now. Okay, yeah, from what he bloody said, it sort of made out like that they spread that rumour, or, you know, they put it on Facebook and shit, spread the rumour so that they'd have plenty of water pressure to hose out the bloody businesses and shit with. Now, I tell you what, if that's true, that's some bloody hell gossip, isn't it? That's some hell gossip when you're talking about, you know, them lying to the public just so they've got water pressure so they can hose out businesses, while everyday people are deciding to, you know, go without showers and, you know, fucking not wash their own houses down and all that kind of shit. They're doing that. Not washing their clothes, not hosing their houses. They're doing all this just so the bloody fire brigade can have pressure to hose out businesses. Yeah, look, I'm for all businesses getting a helping hand, but, you know, how about 50-50? Because if it's not going to be for the people living in this town, there ain't going to be no businesses, right? If there's no residents, there's no business. It's supply and demand. If I need something, I will buy it off you, right? Or I will barter with you, or I will, you know, do what it takes or whatever that I want to get it off you. If there is no demand, if I'm not fucking here saying I want something, then the item you've got is not worth anything. So unless they fucking help out us and we get this place back together again, then they're fucking digging their own graves anyway. I still have not seen any bloody fire brigade or anything turn up and try and help hose down the house. I have not seen any SES. I have not seen any energy workers picking up the bloody thing in front of the house, although I wasn't there today, okay? But this is now day 6, and, you know, if I go down there tomorrow, which will be 7 days, I'm pretty much betting fuck all is going to change in that amount of period of time. I don't really think anything. I think we've just been left to the shit, you know. Unlike COVID, of course, where they were actually all over your fucking ass every fucking 10 minutes. Oh, we love you. We care for you so much we want to fucking inject you. Yes, 4 times. Oh, goody, goody, goody. Dear, oh dear. We're trapped. I feel trapped in a lot of things. I'm also running out of fucking medications. I cannot get certain bloody drugs. I've got OCD, and no, you bet you've never have guessed that I had OCD. No! So I've got OCD and I bloody take medication and stuff, and like, yeah, this is what I'm like when I'm on medication. See what I'm like when I'm off. I don't know. It's just so full on. It's just impossible to describe what it's like. Just this bullshit going on. And if it wasn't for, you know, if the community themselves didn't bloody do so much, there would be just so much tragedy. In other words, the moral of the story is fucking help yourselves, boys and girls, because the government's not gonna. That's what the go is. All the government wants to do is fuck you over every left, right and centre. And that's what I feel like, because I ain't got shit. I got no help. No governments rang me up, no organisations rang me up and said, hey, you know, do you need anything? No. They expect us to get help from each other, from the community. What the fuck? That makes me so cranky. So friggin' cranky. Alright. Look, I'm going to leave it there for the time being, because this probably sounds terrible. It fucking looks terrible because I'm trying to stick it through a window. Listen how loud that is. Still a few grumbles of thunder, clouds rolling past. Just had a huge shower and then just off it went. Lasted about an hour or so, I think. That's about it. All right, look, I want to thank everybody who's helping somebody out there, no matter whether it's with a flood or whatever else. I want to thank the volunteers and stuff that helped yesterday. I want to thank all volunteers all over Lismore that are doing shit. I want to thank volunteers that are in the rest of New South Wales, and I want to thank everybody, rest of Australia and in the rest of the world if you've sent well wishes. All right, so you'll be good, stay safe, and we will see you tomorrow. So come back. How's it go? Come back now, you hear? See you guys.